Welcome to Toasty Tech, where we serve up the hottest gadgets, smartest tech, and coolest innovations to help you find your next great upgrade. The product link is in description. Today we're checking out the Xtra Edge Pro Dual Battery Bundle, an action camera that's packed with premium features for creators, adventurers, travelers, and anyone who wants smooth, high-quality footage without carrying bulky camera gear. So, is this product really worth buying? What do all of these impressive specs actually mean in real-world use? And why is the Xtra Edge Pro getting so much attention? Let's find out. At the heart of the Xtra Edge Pro is a large 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is significantly larger than what you'll find in many traditional action cameras. A larger sensor captures more light, giving you brighter footage, richer colors, and noticeably better performance when shooting during sunrise, sunset, indoors, or at night. Whether you're hiking through forests, filming city lights, or recording a camping trip, your videos maintain impressive clarity and detail. The camera records up to 4K at 120 frames per second, making every adventure incredibly smooth while giving you the flexibility to create cinematic slow-motion footage. If you really want to emphasize fast action, it also supports 32x slow motion, letting every jump, splash, or trick unfold with incredible detail. For creators who love filming outdoors, stabilization is a huge advantage. Xtra combines Motion Master stabilization, tilt guard, and 360 lock technology to help reduce camera shake while keeping footage level and smooth, even when you're mountain biking, skiing, running, or exploring rugged trails. The result feels polished without requiring additional stabilizing equipment. Another standout feature is the night view mode. Low-light recording can be challenging for action cameras, but Xtra's dedicated night processing captures cleaner footage with improved dynamic range and reduced noise, making evening adventures much more enjoyable to watch. Planning to dive underwater? The Edge Pro is waterproof up to 65 feet, or 20 meters, without needing an external housing, making it ready for snorkeling, swimming, paddleboarding, kayaking, and countless other water adventures right out of the box. Battery life is another major highlight. This dual battery bundle includes Xtra's cold-resistant battery system and offers up to 216 minutes of recording, allowing you to spend more time capturing moments and less time searching for a charger. Even in freezing temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius, the batteries are designed to keep performing when many others begin to struggle. Creators will also appreciate the dual OLED touchscreens, making it easy to frame shots whether you're behind the camera or recording yourself. Add in smart human subject tracking, and the camera automatically follows your subject, making solo vlogging much easier while keeping you centered in the frame. Color enthusiasts aren't left out either. The Edge Pro supports 10-bit color, along with X-Log and HLG recording modes, providing greater flexibility for editing and color grading. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, travel films, or social media content, you'll have plenty of room to achieve the exact look you want. So why has the Xtra Edge Pro become such a popular choice? It blends premium imaging, advanced stabilization, long battery life, waterproof durability, intelligent tracking, and creator-focused features into one compact action camera that's ready for nearly any adventure. If you're looking for an action camera that can handle sports, travel, underwater exploration, vlogging, and everyday adventures while delivering professional-looking results, the Xtra Edge Pro Dual Battery Bundle certainly deserves a place on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Toasty Tech. The product link is in description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more hot tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.